You won't open the windows, yeah? Or just I can open the door, yeah. Right. Alright then. 2, 3, triple stop.
Breaking speed records then, is it?
Really good.
That needs to ringing worthy of the cage.
Yeah, fine, thanks.
Have you all just served some sweets there?
And the buffet.
Oh yeah.
That's the buffet.
Buffet.
Excuse me. Oh my goodness. I was just going to ask you anything you want, but extra legs.
I want water with it, John. Yes.